solve x by 4 plus 16 over x, it is equal to 5. So step 1 is multiply by 4x. We'll multiply this equation by 4x. It is 4x into x by 4 plus 4x into 16 over x. It is equal to 4x into 5. Now finally we get x square plus 64x equal to 20x. After multiplying with 4x we get this. Now it is x square, 20x will be arranged with minus sign. It is minus 20x plus 64 equal to 20. Now we'll make the factors of this. We'll break 20x in such way that if we add them we get 20, and if we multiply the numbers we get 64. So it is 16 and 4. If we add 16 and 4 we get 20, and if we multiply 16 with 4 we get 64. So the factors are x minus 16 into x minus 4. Now x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 16. These are the two values of x we have found. So there is another problem. We have to solve x over 3 plus 12 over x. It is equal to 5 now. Step 1 is multiply it with 3x. So we will multiply the equation with 3x. It is 3x into x over 3 plus 3x into 12 over x equal to 5 into 3x. So after multiplying we get x square plus 36 plus equal to 15x. So now it is x square, 15x will be transposed with minus sign. It is 15x plus 36 and it will be equal to 0. Now the factors are, we'll break this 15x, like if we add the numbers we get 15 and we multiply them we get 36. So the numbers are 12 and 3. If we add them we will get 15, and if we multiply them we will get 36. So the factors are x minus 12 and x minus 3. It is equal to 0. So the final value of x will be 12 or x is equal to 3. These are the two values of x.